just a couple of cube roots adding up to 4. But hidden inside this equation is a challenge that most people get stuck on. Let's solve it step by step, the smart way. If you look closely, one cube root has x plus 4 and the other has x minus 4. That kind of symmetry usually means there's a trick waiting to be used. To make this cleaner, we'll use substitution. Let's call cube root of x plus 4 as a and cube root of x minus 4 as b. That gives us a plus b equals 4. This is a classic cube identity. It helps us break down a cube plus b cube using a plus b and ab. And since we already know a plus b is 4, this will work perfectly. Now let's cube both a and b. That gives us x plus 4 and x minus 4. Add them together, and we get a cubed plus b cubed equals 2x. We already said a plus b is 4, so 4 cubed is 64. Plugging into the identity gives us a cubed plus b cubed equals 64 minus 12 times ab. We also know a cubed plus b cubed equals 2x. So let's equate both expressions and solve for x. That gives us x equals 32 minus 6 ab. Now we need ab. That's just the product of the two cube roots, which gives us the cube root of x squared minus 16. Let's now plug ab back into the equation for x. This is our new equation. It has only one variable now, x. Now let's get rid of the cube root. First, isolate the cube root term, then cube both sides. This gives us x squared minus 16 equals the cube of 32 minus x divided by 6. We multiply both sides by 216 to clear the denominator. Then we expand the cube on the right side. After simplifying everything and rearranging, we land on this cubic equation. This cubic isn't easy to factor, so we solve it using a graph or calculator. The graph shows us that the real solution is approximately 8.6547. And that's it. Our final answer is x equals to approximately 8.6547. If you enjoy puzzles that look innocent but go deep, hit that subscribe button. This is just the beginning of what math can really show you.